Please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the vehicle. Face forward with your head against the headrest and hold on to your left arm for the controls. Thank you.
With your souls, I shall rule for all eternity. Serve me and save the riches beyond measure. I can save you now. There is no escape. Your end shall be my beginning. Behold your fate. Your destiny. Your souls are mine!
Hey, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I would have enjoyed this interview a lot more if I had gotten a cup of coffee! Thank you.